Hey everyone, I'm Jeff.
I'm Candida.
In this video, we're going to talk about more of the project work that we want to do on the Eichler.
Eichlers are amazing. They're from the 1960s and a lot of them are in original condition. Ours, unfortunately, has already gone through a few different renovations. However, there are so many original details and original materials. So the theme of our renovation is really focusing on those natural materials that make Eichlers so special.
The house has really beautiful white ceilings, so what we're gonna do is strip all of that white paint off and expose all of that raw, awesome wood material.
Imagine sanding down an entire home's worth of ceilings.
Dust storm.
So dusty, but the outcome is so beautiful. The original redwood ceilings are such an amazing color, which trying to find the right stain for that is a whole nother beast in and of itself.
We will get way more into that in probably another video. Secondly, concrete floors. So we really want to showcase that raw concrete look. Throughout the years, people have done things to the floors. They've trenched them up. Once we take away the epoxy that's on top, it might reveal some different colors and some funk. So we're just gonna rip that up and see what is there for us to work with. And if we don't like it, there's also this thing called micro-topping. Basically, micro-topping is a thin layer of like polymer concrete, and you can choose the color and you can apply a thin layer so you get the same color over the whole house.
Next up is the paint. The interior of the home is going to be a bit more of an off-white. It's going to really complement the beautiful redwood ceilings, just giving us just a nice homey, warm color palette to work with. And the girls' room is gonna get a nice new color. We're still deciding on the final colors of that. Excited to share what that will end up looking like.
And lastly, the exterior of the home.
If you know me, you know that I tend to just paint everything black. I know that black houses are really popular, but I've always wanted one. I've always wanted a black Eichler, and so that's what we're doing. We're gonna paint the thing black with the green. Landscaping is just gonna look awesome. Now we have all of these updates planned to do before we move in, so that includes the ceiling, the floors, painting the interior, exterior. However, we do have a 5-day video shoot right smack dab in the middle of renos. So our time crunch was so small, so crazy, so gnarly to just get the main living room areas done, because that's where we're gonna be filming.
So that's about it. Stay tuned for more updates on the house. We're stoked to take you along our journey.
Bye!
Bye.